How to use Away Mode. Away Mode allows you to temporarily block internet access for specific devices on your network when you're not home. Selected devices won't be able to connect to the internet. This prevents hackers and other threats from connecting to those devices through your home network, connecting to your home network through those devices. To use Away Mode, tap the gray Home icon. Now tap Setup. Select the devices you want to block from your Wi-Fi network when Away Mode is active. When you're done, tap the check mark on the upper right corner. Once your Away Mode device list is set, tap to turn it on here. Or tap the home icon near the bottom right of the home screen anytime you want to activate or deactivate Away Mode. You can do this anywhere as long as you have an internet connection.